Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here with CAMI and her sister that laughs a lot, like a lot.
This is my slime.
Yeah, so
Hi,
she's just gonna
guys.
show off her slime. Let's go.
Go. Hi guys, so I'm going to show you my sister's slime. It looks really cool and it kind of sticks to you, so just play with it. If you want to stretch it out, it's really stretchy. And if you want to make a big bubble, you can just just take 2 parts and then it'll be good. And then,
Hi guys, so this is the ACM famous cloud slime. This is made with white glue and it's very stretchable, very fun to play with, makes really good drizzles, and it's like really fun to play with. And it doesn't stick to you, and it's really fun. So if you guys like this, go check out our Instagram at ACM Enterprises.